In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Euro to USDT in Binance. It's a quick way to move your fiat into stablecoins. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app or website and sign in using your registered account. Make sure your account is verified so you can access all features including conversions. Then go to the Trades section. On mobile, it's at the bottom menu. You'll see several options like Spot, Margin, Convert, and P2P. Next, click on Convert, which is the easiest way to swap between cryptos instantly without worrying about charts or order books. In the From section, click the default currency shown, then search for Euro or EUR and select it. This will be your source currency for conversion. After that, move to the To section, click to change it, and choose USDT. Input the amount of euro you want to convert, and then click Preview Conversion to check the exchange rate and how much USDT you'll receive. Finally, if you're satisfied with the preview, confirm the conversion. The USDT will show up in your spot wallet within seconds. And that's how to convert Euro to USDT on Binance. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and easy tutorials. See you next time!